Well, here's the gyro motor and the inner gimbal. The bearings for the outer gimbal here, the studs. I finally stripped this off of the vertical gyro aircraft, and I tell you, it was a bear. There were so many parts. One side I had to Dremel cut it off. Oh, I spent hours this afternoon. There's 4 mercury switches. That's a lot of fun, but I'm going to go ahead and spin it up. I was just trying to strip this down to its barest, just a good quality gyroscope. And here's our 400 hertz. And I'll turn on the power. It spins up pretty quick. I'll play around with it a little bit. Hopefully I can do it one-handed. I tell you, you get bit by this 90 volt 400 hertz. That gives you a little bee sting there. Look at all these parts. Weights, this wiring harness, or some kind of a pickup. Really good bearings. Can't use that anymore. Pretty much up to speed. Power off. I'll go ahead and disconnect these. Still have plenty of angular momentum for quite a while. Get that so it can rotate around. I'm going to try this one-handed. Oh yeah, it's giving a good gyroscope action there. I wish I could lock the gimbal here. In fact, if you're good at it, you can do it all the way around. Combination here it doesn't, it's vertical, so horizontal sometimes, and kind of a fun little top to play with. Yeah, I'll do that for quite a while. That's a bear. I keep forgetting which way is which. I tilt it away from me, it goes to the left. Tilt it towards me, it goes to the right. But now it's just the opposite. Away from me is towards the right, and towards me is to the left. Now if you get it in this position, then turning clockwise tilts to the left, counterclockwise tilts to the right. Anyway, I wish I had the slip rings brushes working. Both one of them off, but anyway, we're just trying to get a real gyroscope set up.